Good morning, student. Today I am going to discuss question and answer of chapter earthquakes. So let's start from part A, fill in the blanks. Dash are the smaller earthquakes that happen in the same place before the main quake follows. Foreshocks are the smaller earthquakes that happen in the same place before main quake follows. Question number 2. The high wall sea waves caused by underwater earthquakes are called dash. The high wall sea waves caused by underwater earthquakes are called tsunami. Question number 3. Earthquake is caused by a disturbance deep inside the dash of earth. You can write lithosphere and you can also write in bracket uppermost layer. Earthquake is caused by a disturbance deep inside the uppermost layer of earth. Question number 4. The waves associated with the tremors caused by earthquake are known as dash waves. The waves associated with the tremors caused by earthquake are known as seismic waves. You can also write shock waves. Either shock waves you can write, otherwise seismic waves. Question number 5. Geologists call the point of origin of earthquakes as its dash. So we will fill focus. Geologists call the point of origin of earthquakes as its focus. Question number 6. Destructive energy of an earthquake is measured on the dash scale. Destructive energy of the earthquake is measured on the Richter scale. Okay. Now we will discuss true or false. Question number B, part B. State true or false for the following statement. You have to write true statement for true, false statement for false. Question number 1. It is now possible to give exact prediction about the earthquakes. It is now possible to give exact prediction about the earthquakes. फॉल्स. अभी भी सही प्रिडिक्शन देना पॉसिबल नहीं हुआ है, इसलिए फॉल्स. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. earthquakes beneath the ocean floor can generate huge tidal waves. Earthquakes beneath the ocean floor can generate huge tidal waves. Yes. So answer is true. Question number 3. When the plates of the earth slide past each other, the energy released gives rise to waves known as seismic waves. When the plates of earth slides past each other, the energy released gives rise to waves known as seismic waves? Yes. Answer will be true. Question number 4. Richter scale is a simple linear scale? No. False. Question number 5. An earthquake of magnitude 2.5 on Richter scale cannot be recorded on a seismometer? Yes, can be recorded. So, the statement is false. Question number 6. In highly seismic areas, it is better to have house made from mud or timber than those made by using heavy construction material. सिस्मिक जोन्स, सिस्मिक एरियाज, हाईली सिस्मिक एरियाज में जो घर होते हैं वो मड और टिम्बर के बेहतर होंगे वनस्पत की हैवी कंस्ट्रक्शन मटेरियल से जो बना हुआ हाउस होगा उसके कंपैरिजन में बेटर होंगे? यस. सो आंसर इज ट्रू. Part C. 4 option is given and tick the correct option. Question number 1. The minor quake that might occur before the main earthquake is known as a, you have given 4 options: major shock, aftershock, main shock, foreshock. So answer is foreshock. Minor quake that might occur before the main earthquake. मेन अर्थक्वेक से पहले माइनर क्वेक जो आता है वो होता है फोरशॉक. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. A natural phenomenon whose triggering is not associated with an earthquake. एक नेचुरल फेनोमेनन जो अर्थक्वेक से एसोसिएटेड नहीं है. सुनामी इज एसोसिएटेड, लैंडस्लाइड इज एसोसिएटेड, eruption of volcano is associated, but flood is not associated with earthquake. This is a natural phenomenon, but it is not associated with an earthquake. So answer is flood. Question number 3. Earthquakes occur when there is a sudden release of stored up energy in Earth's inner core, outer core, mantle and crust. So answer will be crust. Earthquakes occur when there is a sudden release of stored up energy in Earth's crust. Question number 4. The various layers of Earth are marked as A, B, C and D as shown in the given figure. इस फिगर में मार्किंग किया हुआ है अलग अलग लेयर का, पृथ्वी का ABCD, और आपको बताना है कि कौन कौन से लेयर हैं. Here 4 option is given. So correct answer is A crust, B mantle, C outer core and D inner core. Okay. Question number 5. The epicenter of an earthquake is epicenter deep under the crust of earth, in the mantle of earth, in the core of earth, on the surface of earth. So epicenter on the surface of earth. This is correct answer. Last question 6. The magnitudes of 2 earthquakes A and B. The magnitudes of 2 earthquakes A and B on the Richter scale were 7 and 5 respectively. The strength of earthquake A is 100 times that of earthquake B, A is 10 times that of earthquake B, A is 2 times that of earthquake B, and A is 1/10 times that of earthquake B. हमने बताया था कि each level is 10 times more stronger than previous level. Then you can see 5, 7. तो 2 लेवल है. 2 लेवल मीन्स 10 into 10 यानी 100 times. So correct answer is earthquake A is 100 times that of earthquake B. Now we will discuss D part. Answer the following questions in brief. First question, what is an earthquake? Answer, you know very well. An earthquake is a sudden tremor or movement of Earth's crust which usually lasts only for a very short time. अर्थक्वेक सडन ट्रेमर है या पृथ्वी के क्रस्ट के मूवमेंट को कहते हैं जो अक्सर थोड़ी देर के लिए लास्टिंग करता है, उसे हम अर्थक्वेक कहते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, state any 3 of the damaging effects of an earthquake. Any 3. Answer, 3 damaging effects caused by an earthquake. First point, earthquakes can cause damage to the buildings, bridges, dams. अर्थक्वेक से बिल्डिंग, ब्रिज और डैम डैमेज हो सकते हैं. पॉइंट नंबर 2, earthquakes in many cases may cause great loss of life. बहुत जान मान की हानि होती है अर्थक्वेक के कारण बहुत सारे केस में. पॉइंट नंबर 3, earthquakes can cause floods and landslides. तो अर्थक्वेक के कारण फ्लड्स और लैंडस्लाइड्स भी होते हैं. तो ये 3 पॉइंट हैं जो डैमेजिंग इफेक्ट्स होते हैं अर्थक्वेक के कारण. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, एक्सप्लेन द फेनोमेनन ऑफ प्रोडक्शन ऑफ shock waves. Answer, the boundaries, it means rough edges of the tectonic plates may get interlocked due to friction. The rest of plates keep on moving. This causes a tension to build up in the plates. When the force of moving plates overcomes the friction at the edges, all of their stored energy gets released. The earth shakes or vibrates around this point. The vibration at the point of the release of energy give rise to production of shock waves. तो shock waves के प्रोडक्शन का जो फेनोमेनन है वो क्या है कि टेक्टोनिक प्लेट्स का जो किनारा होता है, बाउंड्रीज होता है, वो इंटरलॉक्ड होता है फ्रिक्शन के वजह से और बाकी प्लेट्स मूव करते रहते हैं, जिसके वजह से एक टेंशन बिल्डअप होता है प्लेट्स में. When the force of moving plates overcomes the friction एट द एजेस, और जब ये फ्रिक्शन से ओवरकम हो जाते हैं मूविंग प्लेट्स, तो जितनी एनर्जी है पृथ्वी के अंदर वो रिलीज हो जाता है, गेट्स रिलीज्ड, जिसके वजह से अर्थ वाइब्रेट करता है या शेकिंग करता है उस पॉइंट पर, एंड द वाइब्रेशन एट द पॉइंट ऑफ द रिलीज ऑफ एनर्जी गिव राइज टू प्रोडक्शन ऑफ शॉक वेव, और यही कारण होता है कि शॉक वेव्स क्रिएट होता है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, इन द कंटेक्स्ट ऑफ एन अर्थक्वेक which of the 2 points, the focus or the epicenter, is deep under the ground? तो अर्थक्वेक के कंटेक्स्ट में फोकस और एपीसेंटर में कौन 2 पॉइंट ग्राउंड के अंदर होता है? सो आंसर इज फोकस। इन द कंटेक्स्ट ऑफ एन अर्थक्वेक, the focus is deep under the ground and the epicenter is directly above the focus. It means on the surface of earth. Epicenter just above the focus, you can say on the surface of earth. It is deep under the ground. Focus. Question number 5. Name the scale used for measuring the strength of an earthquake. Name the scale used for measuring the strength of an earthquake. Write the likely magnitude of, first question, a mild earthquake. Second question, a highly destructive earthquake on this scale. So the scale used for measuring the strength of an earthquake is Richter scale. Richter scale पर ही earthquake का strength measure होता है. And first, write the likely magnitude. The likely magnitude of a mild earthquake is 3.5. Mild earthquake का magnitude 3.5 होता है. Second question, the likely magnitude of a highly destructive earthquake is 9.5. The likely magnitude of a highly destructive earthquake, you can also write 8.0 and above. 8.0 and above. You can follow your book, page number 336. Okay? Otherwise, you can write 9.5. Last question, question number 6. An earthquake measures 3 on Richter scale. An earthquake measures 3 on Richter scale. First, would it be recorded on the seismometer? Second question, is it likely to cause much damage? तो पहले क्वेश्चन का आंसर होगा यस, इट विल बी रिकॉर्डेड ऑन द सिस्मोमीटर. 3 magnitude on Richter scale, it will be recorded on the seismometer. And second question, is it likely to cause much damage? No, it is mild. It is mild earthquake. यानी 3 magnitude is mild earthquake. So no damage. No damage by this magnitude. Okay. Thank you.